Cock-a-doodle-doo, motherfuckers. We back out here in Santa Ana River Lakes. Finna catch some monster cats today. Stay tuned. Oh man, I'm just chilling.
Sun ain't up, but we in the cut. Trucking park, got the set up tough. Bass on deck, them rods in line. Chasing big dreams by the lakeside sign. Midnight grind ain't here for show. Prime spot claiming, moving low. Bubble hole war zone, boat dock heat. Whoever sleeping gon' take that beat.
Okay, so you need to understand something. This Santa Ana River Lakes. Fishing with Chris and Dave and Chris. Yeah, we caught this guy right here. Try to sneak away. What's up? Say hi to the camera. Yes, indeed. We here.
See this?
This is the Santee Cooper rig right here for catfish. What's gonna happen is I'm gonna put the bait here. This is the weight. And bobber's gonna float. He's gonna be hanging, the little shrimp. Catfish is gonna see that, and it's not gonna be a problem after that. Stay tuned. Santa Ana River Lakes, it goes down. I need to come if you want to catch a catfish, it's guaranteed. Just bring your shrimp and your mackerel. Are we splashing? We splashing. Yeah, good as hell.
Cat's so fat, got the whole spot fiending. Catching cats at the lake like it's nothing. Lines tight, boy, these fish keep coming. 9 to 11 pounds.
Bring that shit in, Dave. Quit playing, man. Damn. Santa Ana River Lakes, we don't play games.
Cooler keep stuffing. Santa Ana turn a slow day to something. Pull up early, got my rig low tight. That dope bait hitting when the moon's still bright.
Look at that sucker right there.
They lawn chairs right with a coffee in hand and that GoPro light.
God damn. Get that motherfucker, Dave. 9 pounds right there. No problem. Man, that's what I'm saying. I was gonna leave at 11 o'clock regardless. I leave early. So look at that. He sure got him. Look. All right, man. I appreciate you. I'll see you tomorrow, Rick. All right. Peace. Oh, shit. I didn't get a chance to. This is what happened. Fishing with Chris and Dave and Chris. What you thought? Santa Ana River Lakes at what? The Bubble Hole. We're fishing with Chris and Dave and Chris. They've got a monster on the line. Yeah, you got to check his whole hole. You got this, Dave? What's going on, young man?
Oh, man, you know, we trying to get him when we fit in. We're here with Snake and Big Davey. We doing big things at the Bubble Hole, baby. The Bubble Hole. Ain't nothing like the Bubble Hole. Shucky ducky quack quack on the Bubble Hole, baby.
Look at that. There you go. Come on through. Dave, oh man, I'm over here filming. I ain't got the. Oh, I don't know if this is. This is what happens when you come to Santa Ana River Lake, man. We don't play no games over here. This is it. It goes down in the bubble hole. Tell everybody about the bubble hole. I might have messed up. James, the bubble hole.
Yeah, that's a beautiful job. No, that's a beautiful job. That's crazy. Hold them right there. Just those two right there is stupid.
That's beautiful. You did that.
In 2 hours.
In 2 hours.
In 2 hours.
This is what happens when you come to Santa Ana River Lakes.
Hey, bring your coffee.
What happened?
Bring your coffee. Your Red Bull, your Monster, whatever you gotta have, your Modelo. And the fish will say hello.
Yeah, this boat won't start at this present time. We at Santa Ana River Lakes. I don't want to put them out there like that, but this is probably not really Santa Ana River Lake fault. Might be the user. It's possible. Anything is possible tonight. We'll see.
I don't want to get too excited and lose this goddamn fish after waiting 3 hours. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna try to be as patient as I can.
OCT. Santa Ana River Lakes, bringing in monsters. Because this is what we do. We bring in monsters. And she do it. Ooh, look at that. It's taking drag. Yeah, look at that. Thinking. I'm not gonna tell her to hold the rod up because she gets upset when you try to tell her how to fish. Well, she can't. Damn, I'm gonna have it done. What would you do? Get this thing, man. There you go. There you go. Yeah, that's a fish right there. Yeah, look at that. That's what's happening at the bubble hole. Nice. Nice.
Hey, you have to pay me $20 an hour.
She got the fifth one. She said it's time to go. She done caught her limit. Hey guys, it's 7:53. The place opens up at 6 o'clock. She caught her limit. When I say the place, this is Santa Ana River Lakes. And this is where you come and catch the monster. Oh, it's going down. They know about it. Wait. Patient. Yeah, that's what we do. We come to the station here where we fillet these puppies. That's what we do. 10 pounds right here at Santa Ana River Lakes. Cleaning them up, making them real nice and tasty and juicy for you. This is where we get busy at.